Hey guys, today we're going to unbox and install Cardo Packtalk Edge on my KYT KX-1 helmet. Cardo Bluetooth system provides wireless communication for riders, offering clear intercom music and GPS connections, known for noise cancellation and long battery life. The system is a little bit cheaper if you split it with a friend by ordering as a duo. And if you would like to save another 10% off, please use my code KYT. Now let's get to the unboxing. Please be sure to clean your helmet nicely and use the alcohol pad that's given by Cardo. Make sure it's nice and dry before you put on the plate. Depending on what helmet you have, try to find a nice flat spot for the plate. Press and hold for about 10 seconds. Next step would be removing the inner pads. Certain helmets have the pre-cut holes for the speakers. However, this helmet is a race helmet, so it doesn't have the holes. Therefore, I try my best to find a nice spot. Since everyone's head shape is different and everyone's helmet design is different, you might need to reapply the stickies a few times to find the perfect fit. Make sure the speaker with the shorter cord stays on the left-hand side and the longer cord stays on the right-hand side. Then we're going to push down the magnetic plate from the top to the bottom. And the Cardo unit just clips right in. To remove the unit, you want to press down on the black plastic piece and then you push the unit forward. If you guys have an open face helmet, you're welcome to use the boom microphone. For my case, I'm using the wired microphone. Next step, we're connecting all the wires together. Put the pads back and hide all the wires. Make sure to download Cardo App on your phone. To turn on the unit, you press the two buttons at the same time. And to connect to the Bluetooth, you click the bottom button for about 5 seconds. Go to Bluetooth on your phone and choose Packtalk Edge to connect. Go back to the Cardo app, click pair, and then you're done. See, installation was so quick and easy. Please be sure to use my code KYT for 10% off. Thank you for watching. Bye!